Made a little fixture this morning on this table. Make sure each and every one of these are exactly the same. It's a simple fixture, but it works very, very well. It's a little process I do for each one of them. If you take the time when you're cutting these on the saw and you clean the stop and watch for little shavings that gets in the way and everything, you will cut these all exactly on the mark. If you don't do that, that whole proper prior preparation prevents piss poor performance thing is out the window. And trying to fit these in a fixture and a jig after that, and it's not correct, it's going to be a hell of a pain. And then you'll end up having to grind them down in the process, and it slows you down anyway.